Assalamu alaikum students. Today is 23rd June 2020 and it's Tuesday. We have to start exercise 1.4, but before starting exercise 1.4 I should give you the introduction about multiplication of matrices. What is the multiplication of matrices? Two matrices A and B are comfortable for multiplication giving product AB if the number of column of A is equal to number of rows of B. From this definition we come to know that the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So before multiplying two matrices you should see the number of columns of first matrix and the number of rows of second matrix. For example, here you have the example that in A matrix we have one row and two columns, and here we have two rows and one column. So the number of rows here is 1 and the number of column is 2. And here we have, this is row 1, row 2 and this is column 1. So we have two rows and one column. So the number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So we can multiply it. So we will multiply AB. Okay, now the point is how we will multiply them. We will multiply it like this. We will multiply in this form and this. You can mark these arrows like in with pencil if you want to mark it. This will help you to find that which term will be multiplied with which term. Okay, now firstly we will multiply our first row, first column with first row or of first column of second matrix. Then we will multiply this term 2. This is your row 1 column 2 element with 3. So this is your row 2 column 1 element. So here we will write row 1 column 2 element of first matrix with row 2 column 1 of second matrix. So we will multiply 1 with 2 and then 2 with 3. So our answer of AB is 2 and 6. So this is the answer of AB. Now I am going to give you another example. For example, we have A 1, 2, 3 and 4 and we have to multiply it with B and it's for example 2, 3, 0 and 1. Now I am going to multiply the matrices. This have two rows and two column, this have two rows and two column. So it is clear from there that the number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So they both are comfortable for the multiplication. That means we can multiply A with B. Now which term will be multiplied with which term? You can mark these arrows in your rough work, like you can mark these arrows with pencil. It will help you to identify that first we have to multiply our first row with first column of the second matrix. Then we will multiply our second row with the second column of the second matrix. First we will multiply our first full row with the column 1 of second matrix. Then we will multiply our row 2, full row 2 with column 2 of second matrix. Okay, now start multiplying. 1 multiply with 2 plus 2 multiply with 0. We will multiply this 1 with 2, then this 2 with 0, and in the middle the sign will be positive. Then we will multiply the same row 1. First we will multiply row 1 with column 1. Then for here we will multiply our row 1 with column 2. Matrix for matrix 1, matrix 2 and for matrix 1 and matrix 2. We will take the row 1 of first matrix, then we will take the column 1 of second matrix. Then for the element for here we will multiply row 1 for our first matrix with the column 2 of second matrix. Now I am going to multiply 1 with 3 plus sign, then 2 with 1. For there I will multiply row 1, sorry not row 1, row 2 with column 1, matrix 1 row 2 and matrix 2 column 1. Like this we will multiply for here. Now I am going to multiply 3 with 2 plus 4 with 0. Now for there this element I will multiply row 2 with column 2, row 2 of first matrix and column 2 of second matrix. So I will multiply 3 with 3 plus 4 with 1. Now I will multiply the terms and find the answer. 1 2 times is 2 plus 2 0 times is 0, 3 1 times is 3 plus 2 1 times is 2, 3 2 times is 6 plus 4 0 times is 0, and 3 3 times is 9 and 4 1 times is 4. Now we will add the terms, like 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 0 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 9 plus 4 is 13. So this is our answer. This is the answer of AB. So that's how we will multiply our two matrices which have 2 rows and 2 columns, and the other matrix also have 2 rows and 2 columns. When we have 2 by 2, both the matrices are 2 by 2, that's how we will multiply them. Now we are going to solve our question number 1 of 1.4. I am going to solve first part for you. This is your question 1 of exercise 1.4 part number 1. Now we will see that can we multiply these terms or not. So let's think about the rows and column of this matrix. This is 2 rows and 2 columns, and here we have 2 rows and 1 column. Can we multiply it? Let's see. Here the number of column is 2 and here the number of rows is 2. So the number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix, so we can multiply it. Now multiply it, mark the arrows. 1 into minus 2, write the bracket because we have double sign here, plus minus 1 into 3. We don't have the second column in the second matrix, so we will not write the element here. Okay, we don't have second column. If we have second column, then we will write the elements here. We don't have second column in the second matrix, so we will not write the second we will not form the second column. Now 0 into minus 2, I am multiplying second row with the first column of the second matrix. So 0 into minus 2 plus 2 into 3. So here we have minus 2 plus minus 3, 0 plus 2, 3 times is 6. So minus 2 minus 3, 0 plus 6 is 6. So it will be minus 5 and 6. So this is your answer. So this is the solution for question number 1 part 1. Now I am going to solve question number 1 part 2. In part 2 we have 1 1 minus 1 and 0. We have to multiply it with 2 1 minus 1 and 3. I have told you about this type of multiplication when we have 2 by 2 number of rows and number of columns are 2 in the first matrix, and the number of rows and the number of columns are 2 in the second matrix. In both the matrix, then there is 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 2. So number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So we can multiply it. We will multiply 1 with 2, minus 1 with 1. You can mark the arrow here. Then first row with second column, then 1 with minus 1 and plus minus 1 with 3. Now second row of first matrix, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1 and 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 3. 2 1 times 2 plus minus minus 1 1 times 1 2 plus 0 minus 1 plus minus minus 3 1 times 3 minus 1 plus 0. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 4 and minus 1. So this is the answer for part number 2 of question number 1 exercise 1.4. Now you can solve question number 1 completely because I have explained the multiplication of matrices. Now you have to complete question number 1. Now we will do question number 2 of this exercise. A is given, B is given. We have to find A, B and B, A if possible. We have to see that the number of rows and number of columns are the same of these matrices. If it is possible to multiply them, then we will multiply it. If it's not possible, then we will write that the multiplication is not possible. Question number 2. A is equals to 3, minus 1, 0 and 2. B is equals to 0, it's 6 and 5. Okay, for part number 1 we have to multiply A with B. So we will multiply 3 minus 1, 0 and 2 with 6 and 5. Mark the arrows, check the number of rows and number of columns. The number of columns here are 2, the number of rows here are 2. So we will multiply it. 2 rows, 1 column, so we can multiply it. 3 into 6 plus 0 into 5. Then we don't have another column here, so we will not write it. Minus 1 multiplied by 6 plus 2 multiplied by 5. 18 plus 0 5 times is 0. Minus 6 plus 2 5 times is 10. 18 plus 0 is 18 and minus 6 plus 10 is plus 4. So this is the answer for AB. Now we will check for part 2 BA. Okay, in B there is 6 and 5 and in A there is 3, 0, minus 1 and 2. So the number of rows here are 2 and the number of column is 1. Here we have 2 rows and 2 columns, so the number of column here is 1 and the number of rows here is 2. So the number of column in first matrix is not equal to number of rows in second matrix, so we cannot multiply it. So we will write the answer to find BA is not possible because the number of columns in B is 1 and number of rows in A is 2. So we cannot multiply B and with A. We can multiply A with B because number of column in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix, so that's why we can multiply AB, but we cannot multiply BA because number of column in first matrix is 1 and the number of rows in second matrix is 2, so the number of column in first matrix is not equal to the number of rows in second matrix. So it is not possible for us to multiply B with A, but it is possible for us to multiply A with B. So that is the whole complete solution of question number 2 exercise 1.4.